Welcome to a new video on AI World for You. In today's discussion, let us continue our previous topic of agents. AI agents, an intelligent agent. What is it and what exactly does it do? It's a hot research topic right now, and let us go in depth and dive into intelligent agents in today's lecture. So coming to this agents, in the previous lecture, I clearly explained about what is agent and what is sensor, what is actuator, and how the actuator is performing the actions. So that flow is also given here. If you observe, the agent is going to perceive from the environment, and it is doing that with the help of sensors. Then what is happening? Because of these inputs, it needs to perform some action, and that action is performed on its environment, that is the surrounding, through the actuators. So if you see the diagram itself, you can understand that hands, legs, those kind of movement related things, we will call them as actuators. And the sensors are, as the name suggests, they are going to give us the input values of something, like pressure sensor we have, temperature sensor, like that many sensors are there. So they will give some information to our intelligent agent. Depending on those values, our intelligent agent needs to take an action. So this kind of action is done through the actuators. So what is given here? The agent perceives the environment through sensors and acts on it through actuators. Coming to what is percept. Percept is agent's perceptual input. That is what kind of basis it considers from the environment, and based on that it will go for its actions. Coming to the percept sequence. Percept sequence is the sequence in which the steps are being performed. That is complete history of what has been perceived. How is it able to understand from the environment? That is what is percept sequence. So I hope this particular part, that is what is agent, what are sensors, what are percepts, and what are actions, what are this environment and actuators. This part is clear, right? So coming to the agent function. Agent function means it is going to map a given percept sequence into an action. So there will be many observations being done by the agent from the environment. So based on the observations in sequence, the actions also need to take place in sequence. So this kind of mapping, we will call it as agent function. So this agent function will map a given percept sequence into an action and describes what the agent does. So agent function is nothing but what the agent is doing. It will clearly describe what the agent needs to do. So externally, if you see, we will represent like table of actions. Internally, it is represented through the agent program. So suppose if we consider the case of a transformer, there if there is overheating, then automatically if we design an AI intelligent agent which needs to cool the transformer, then that kind of sensor must be placed there, and that sensor's input should be sent to the other electronic devices which are connected, and automatically the cooling system must be activated. So this is one simple example of this agent, environment, perception and actuator. So here what is the agent function in the example? The agent function is that it should cool the transformer immediately because it is overheated. So I hope you understood what is agent and what is agent function. In the upcoming lectures, let us see in detail about the types of agent and go deeper into its environment. Thank you.